Do you want to know one of the secret and beautiful places in Idukki? Some places remain unexplored and some explored continuously. Believe it or not, of all the places, the unexplored ones would be the most fascinating. Here, we are introducing a not-so-explored place at Idukki, Kerala. Whenever people hear the name Idukki, the first and foremost tourist spot that comes to our mind would be Munnar. Apart from that, there are so many scenic places situated in Idukki like Parunthumpara, Meesapulimala and so on. But this time, we are introducing a place named Microwave through our vlog. Microwave, also known as Micra, is 2.5 kilometers away from Painavu Engineering College, Idukki, Kerala. Since it is an off-road, one couldn't take their own vehicles for trekking to the Micra point. But no reason to feel disheartened. You can take your bike if you're not that fond of proper trekking. The trekking jeeps are also available. Those who have trekked before, you might know what it feels like. For those who didn't, you should try it once. Start your trek at early morning. Light up the traditional panthums. The panthums are used to frighten away the animals. Once you reach the top, it's a feeling incomparable to anything except the paradise. Literally. Have you ever seen the constellation, Orion? If no, trek to the top. Lie facing the sky, close your eyes. Once you open your eyes, you can see the magical sight of the stars. Not only the stars, but you can also witness the most beautiful sight of floating clouds accompanied with all the famous spots in Idukki. Don't forget to carry a tent with you. Nothing beats staying in the tent at the top of a viewpoint. Carry something hot, like soup, black tea and so on. Curl up in the blanket, with just showing the face. Take a sip of hot tea and spend your time away from all the rushes and responsibilities. While trekking down, don't forget to click some stupendous visuals. Reserve some memories for a lifetime. Pantham is a traditional setup where people tie a cloth around a big stick, pour some oil or kerosene and light it. Pantham served the purpose of torch in the old days. The fire will also help to frighten the wild animals.